everyone. As you can see, I have another Star Wars The Black Series figure in front of us. This time it is Koska Reeves from Star Wars The Mandalorian. She came out, depending on which retailer you pre-ordered from, a month or two, maybe longer ago. Unfortunately, I rolled the dice and I lost. I pre-ordered from GameStop. Sometimes it works out. This time it definitely did not. And unfortunately, I pre-ordered her with some other items, so it was kind of a pain and I wasn't really able to cancel, but a whole other story. Anyways, what we're going to do today is take a closer look at Koska Reeves. We're going to take a look at the box itself. Then we'll go ahead and unbox her, take a look at her articulation, take some pictures, come back, talk about some of the things that we liked and or disliked about the figure as well. But let's go ahead and first take a closer look at the box. As you can see, we have the grabber orange-ish color here for Star Wars The Mandalorian. And we can see that she's going to have two different blasters, the jetpack, of course, and we'll go along to this side. We've got the nice mural print here, and we won't even say anything about that little guy there. Miss him. So on the back here, you can see she's number 12 in the line, and it says, Koska Reeves, a master of hand-to-hand combat. Koska Reeves is loyal to Bo-Katan and is a member of a band of Clan Kryze Mandalorians striking back at the Imperial remnant. All right, and we've got some more of the mural there, and following along, as you can see, it is the new box, so we've got the window at the top as well. So let's go ahead and unbox Koska here. All right, and while we're going through this, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. And if you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up as well. That helps the channel. And if you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel, but we tend to gravitate towards Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series whenever possible. But we do other things as well, like gaming and home electronics and stuff like that as well. But anyways, going back, taking a closer look here. Jetpack. And Koska herself. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get everything cleaned up and we'll be right back. All right, so got everything unboxed here, cleaned up. So let's take a closer look at the accessories first. We have the blasters, which we've seen these blasters before. They're just kind of okay. It's just gray paint. Gray plastic, a little bit of paint on the grip there, but I wish they would do something different with them, but, maybe a metallic paint or something like that. The jetpack, however, I think is pretty good. I think it's good sized for her for what it is. We've got a little bit of paint detail on it, but nothing real special about it. Anyways, all right, so Koska herself, let's go ahead and take the helmet off, or the bucket. It's pretty good. I think the hair, I think they did a good job on that. And there we go. One thing I really don't like is when Hasbro gives us two blasters. Well, I like that, but I thought that she had double holsters. I really did. I don't know. If she does have double holsters, let me know down below. And if she doesn't, give me thumbs up. Anyways, all right, let's go ahead and take a look at her articulation. Of course, I took the helmet off so that we could take a closer look at her head. That's pretty good down and pretty good up. And that's actually really good. I like the tilt. So that'll go really well with the helmet, which we'll take a closer look at. Arms, pretty good movement there. Should also take a closer look there. I think they did an okay job on that. No movement at the shoulder. It's all the movement is going to be at the elbow, and we do have greater than 90 there, and actually good definition there on the elbow. And on the other side, maybe not as much articulation, but not bad. Decent movement at the torso. We're going to get almost full movement. You're never going to turn it any more than that. Just limited by the shielding there. Looks like a single knee with the ball on it. and then decent movement at the ankle as well. So happy with that so far. The belt might be attached. No, I guess it's not. It's just tight. So I'm glad that's not attached. That's always a problem. I like that the viewfinder is able to articulate, so that's good. Hopefully that's being picked up on that. So definitely take a closer look at that on the figure. So like I was saying before, good movement, especially with the helmet on, which is what you need from a figure like this. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and take some pictures, and we'll be right back. If you have any questions while we're going through this, make sure to ask down below. All right, so I think that was a good look at Koska Reeves here. I think she's a decent figure. There's just a few flaws. Like I said, the holster, hand movement is not exactly what I would like. But other than that, I think the boots, they did a really good job. Face is actually somewhat decent, I think. I've heard some negativity about it, but I think they actually did a decent job at that. And I think the hair they did a really good job with as well. But yeah, I mean, I think it'll look really good on the Mandalorian shelf, especially next to Bo-Katan. But anyways, yeah, I mean, definitely a pickup. I'll leave a link down in the description if you're interested for yourself. And if you, like I said before, if you have any questions about the figure, make sure that you do ask down below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, like Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series, but also other things as well. I'm getting back into Halo now that that's out. But we're doing other things as well that a professional geek might find interesting. So if any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.